Given the situation, the examination is not there for standard 10. 12th also there will be no examination, which has been a decision just taken yesterday. I feel we have taken this decision exactly in line with what is happening in the country over. And in the given situation, there was no better option available at all. And therefore, this is the best option which is available not to have the examination.
Sir, before,
Otherwise,
yeah,
also,
yeah.
yeah, just a minute. Otherwise, also, if you look at what type of examinations will we be having,
Hmm.
don't you think this also is an occasion? Pandemic has also given us an occasion to look into the type of the examinations which we were conducting, which were largely based on rote learning,
Hmm.
which were based on just I give you information as a teacher, you pick it up and you produce it in the examination. So we all know how much was the seriousness also. I mean, genuine seriousness
Hmm.
in that. I don't mean to say that the teachers are not working. Teachers were doing their best. There's no question about it. But they were within the system which has been given to them. So this is what the situation is.